Ever wondered what might be causing those pesky winter coughs? Let's talk about human metapneumovirus. Human metapneumovirus, or HMPV, is a respiratory virus that affects the lungs and airways. Discovered in 2001, HMPV is part of the Paramyxoviridae family related to RSV. Symptoms range from mild, runny nose, cough, sore throat, fever, to severe, like bronchiolitis, pneumonia, and difficulty breathing. HMPV spreads through respiratory droplets, close contact, or touching contaminated surfaces. But don't worry, prevention is within your reach. Wash your hands frequently, avoid close contact with sick people, and disinfect commonly touched surfaces. While there's no specific antiviral treatment or vaccine for HMPV, symptoms can be managed with supportive care like hydration, rest, and, in severe cases, oxygen therapy. Stay informed and stay healthy.